Yeah, Steve, I've covered way too many animal cruelty cases over the years in my career, but it's hard to remember one where so many animals were either starved or starved to death. The only sign that something horrible happened at this southern Wake County home: torn blinds, a ripped shade, and piles of debris. A neighbor says the debris was taken out of the home by authorities who raided the house a few days ago.
The sheriff's department and the fire department were over here, animal control. At least a dozen vehicles. Hazardous response team went in there. They had all their protective suits on, masks. It looked like something out of a science fiction movie.
Richard Smith has known his neighbor, 24-year-old Bridget Baldwin, since she was a young girl. He said, and property records confirm, that she inherited the house a couple of years ago. He was shocked by what authorities found inside and was described in court today.
They found one dog that was crated, that was extremely emaciated. And then they found 4 dead cats.
Investigators were led to the house after they found an even worse scene at this apartment complex in Garner. Baldwin had been living here but was evicted.
There was 10 animals inside with no food or water. There were 4 cats that were locked in a separate room. All have died in that apartment. There were 6 dogs in the house. 4 were in the living room with no food and water. 2 were locked in a bedroom with no food and water. Every dog was extremely emaciated. There was feces and urine all over the apartment.
Neighbor Richard Smith was shocked at the total of 8 dead cats and 7 badly starved dogs.
If the animal or a human being, you gotta have some serious problems.
The judge at today's hearing agreed. Steve, he told Baldwin if she can post this bond and get out of jail, she'll have to have a mental evaluation.
Ed Crump, I know you'll be following the next steps in this case at the Wake County Justice Center. Thanks.